Hi everyone, my name is Nick Gam, and today I'm going to show you a little bit of how the deployment assistant handles plugins. We're going to go ahead and create a similar flow to previous videos, starting with an API connection. I'm going to connect to my Veza tenant. We're going to go ahead and show the Veza OAA SDK ran as a plugin in a deployment flow. I'm going to go ahead and create a transform as well, and in the next video, we'll actually use this transform script in the flow as well. I'm going to go ahead and upload the same Active Directory sample file as I did in the previous video. Then we're going to get right to creating the deployment. This will just call it simple OA. And we'll start with a flow trigger to start. And then we'll create our CSV. And for this transform, instead of using this script right away, we're going to first try a one or more direct copy. And of course, this could be used with expressions and concatenations and splits, and we can do simple transformations visually right here in the UI. And for this example, we'll do this, and then for the next video, we'll use the script. And with the transform created, we'll go ahead and create a plugin node. And this is what will do all the work to write this data to Veza. I'm going to use my API connection that you saw me create earlier. Since I don't have a provider inside of Veza and I don't have a data source, I'm going to go ahead and have those get created with this one call. And we'll just use some constants for the name of the provider and the name of the data source. Of course, we could pass those in as well if we wanted to. And I'm going to map all of the fields that I passed over through the transform into this application object. And I'm also going to define which ones are the unique identifier, display name, and email fields. Finally, I want to make sure the create provider Boolean is set to true so that when it creates all of this in Veza, it creates a provider, a data source, and pushes the data. As you can see here in Veza, I am in my Veza dashboard here for my lab. You can see I have other integrations, but I don't have an integration from the deployment flow that we've created yet. So let's go ahead and run the flow. And as you can see, the flow executed successfully. But don't take my word for it. Let's go back into Veza and take a look. There's the provider, the data source. And if we check the events, you can see, give it a second for the little spinner to spin. You can see that we did push that data. That's it for today. In the next video, I'll go ahead and show the very similar flow, but with a script.